You know that uneasy feeling you get at the end of the month when you check your bank account and it's just not adding up? Maybe you're making money, but somehow it's never quite enough. What if I told you that it's not how much you earn, but what you're unknowingly losing that's keeping you from financial freedom? Hi everyone, welcome back to InvestNest Insights, your very own financial partner. In this video, we're going to talk about the silent wealth killers, the money mistakes that many of us are making without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to identify and avoid these mistakes so you can start building real, lasting wealth. Stick around, because this could change your financial future. We live in a world where finances are becoming more and more complicated. It's not just about earning a paycheck anymore. It's about making smart choices with that paycheck. Yet, millions of people unknowingly sabotage their financial well-being with avoidable mistakes. But don't worry, these mistakes can be fixed, and it all starts with awareness. Whether you're just starting to invest, or you've been handling money for years, it's important to know where your money is really going. Today, we're going to discuss some major financial mistakes that most people don't even realize they're making, and more importantly, how to avoid them. This brings us to the first silent wealth killer, lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when you increase your spending every time you get a raise or earn extra money. It's like running on a financial treadmill. You're moving, but you're not getting anywhere. As your income grows, it's very irresistible to upgrade your lifestyle. But if your spending increases at the same rate as your earnings, you'll find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, regardless of how much money you make. To avoid this trap, here's a tip. Treat raises like opportunities, not spending excuses. If you get a 10% raise, consider increasing your savings rate by at least 5%. You'll still have extra money to enjoy life, but you'll also be building your financial future. A raise is not an excuse to spend more. It's a chance to invest in your future self. Let's talk about another massive financial mistake that eats away at your wealth over time. High interest debt. Credit card debt and payday loans. These might seem small at first, but they grow fast due to compound interest. For example, you have $5,000 in credit card debt and are only paying the minimum amount each month. You didn't think much of it, but over time, your balance ballooned thanks to your card's 18% interest rate. It was only when you saw that you'd paid almost as much in interest as you originally owed that you realized how much money you were losing. To escape this trap, you have to prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Every extra dollar you put towards that balance will save you significantly in the long run. If you have multiple debts, consider using the debt snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, or the debt avalanche method where you tackle the highest interest rates first. Not setting financial goals. If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up someplace else, Yogi Berra once said, and this rings true for your finances. Without financial goals, you're essentially drifting. Whether it's saving for a home, retiring early, or paying off debt, having clear financial targets keeps you focused. Many people float through life without a financial plan, which leaves them unprepared for emergencies or major life events. A great book to help you start planning is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. It provides a step-by-step plan to financial success. The point is, if you don't set your financial sails towards specific goals, you'll end up stuck or worse, off course, falling for quick money schemes. Ever heard the phrase, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is? This couldn't be more accurate when it comes to get-rich-quick schemes. Remember Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme? Thousands of people lost billions because they believed in easy, fast returns with minimal risk. These schemes, from pyramid structures to overnight success promises, play on our desire for fast money. But wealth built slowly and steadily is the kind that lasts. The key takeaway here? If someone is promising you incredible returns with little to no effort, run the other way. Credit cards can be a useful tool, but they can also be a debt trap. Many people fall into the trap of making the minimum payments on their credit cards, not realizing that the interest is quietly working against them. According to a 2001 MIT study, people spend up to 100% more when using credit cards compared to cash because it feels less real. The scary part? Credit card debt grows exponentially due to compound interest. Remember, it works for you in investments, but against you with debt. A small balance today can spiral into something much bigger down the road. A good strategy is to treat your credit card like cash. If you can't pay it off in full each month, don't use it. Not having multiple streams of income. Imagine relying on just one paycheck and suddenly losing your job. It's a scary thought, and it's the reality for many. In 2018, over 21 million US workers were laid off. When you have only one source of income, you're putting all your financial eggs in one basket. Think of yourself as a tree with multiple branches producing fruit. The more branches or income streams you have, the more secure your financial future. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or creating passive income, diversifying your income sources can give you peace of mind and greater financial stability. So, there you have it. Some major money mistakes that even the wealthiest people fall victim to. The key is awareness. By understanding these traps and avoiding them, you're already ahead of the curve. Like Mike Tyson's story, who earned over $300 million in his boxing career, filed for bankruptcy in 2003. It shows that even making millions won't save you from poor financial decisions. By setting goals, avoiding quick money schemes, and managing debt wisely, you can build lasting wealth. Your financial future is in your hands, and it's never too late to start making smarter choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, what's one money mistake you've made that you're working to fix? See you in the next video.